Back-to-school shopping doesn't have to be limited to notebooks and writing utensils. This time of year is also popular for those who are looking for a new vehicle. And in this case, Russ Darrow Direct is here to help. Whether you're helping them buy their first car or surprising your high school graduate with the best gift ever, either of these Jeep Patriots are excellent options. And with both of them priced well under $10,000, they'll fit the bill without breaking the budget. A smart choice to ensure your college student comes home for the holidays, this one-owner fit is built with Honda dependability, has just under 38,000 miles, and can haul the entire dorm thanks to its magic seat with utility mode, long mode, and tall mode. If you're looking to ditch the aging family minivan for something more modern but still need tons of space, this Highlander Platinum is worth a second look. All the bells and whistles are wrapped up in Toyota's well-known reliability, and the whole package is adorned with a 3-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty included at no extra cost. To check out any of these vehicles, visit russdarrowdirect.com or stop by at your convenience and see our inventory for yourself.